In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate in Wrike. By the end, you'll feel comfortable finding work, checking updates, managing capacity, logging time, and starting new spaces from ready-made templates. Start by opening Wrike in your browser and signing into your workspace. Take a second to look at the left-hand navigation panel. This is your command center. At the top of that panel, click Search. Use it to quickly find tasks, projects, and folders. Type a few keywords, and if your workspace supports filters, narrow results by status, assignee, or item type to get to what you need faster. A good habit is to search by unique words from task titles or by project names your team uses consistently. Next, head to your inbox. This is where all your updates, mentions, and approvals land. Scan unread items, open any message to jump straight to the related task, and archive what you've handled to keep things tidy. Keeping your inbox clean makes the rest of your day smoother. From there, go to request forms. This is the best place for standardized intake, whether it's creative briefs, IT tickets, or other team requests. Use forms to ensure the right details are captured at the start, which reduces back and forth later. If you have multiple forms, pick the one that matches your use case so the work routes correctly. Open workload to see who's booked and who has capacity. Adjust the time frame to a week or month, and look for uneven distribution. If someone is overloaded, you can rebalance by moving tasks to teammates with availability or by shifting dates. Checking this view regularly helps prevent bottlenecks. Now jump into timesheets. Here you can review your week and log time against the right tasks. Add entries directly from suggested items or search for the work you completed. Keep descriptions clear so reporting stays accurate. If you need to edit a previous day, use the same view to update entries. In the toolbar, click More to reveal additional options or views related to your current page. It's a quick way to access extra tools without leaving what you're doing. Navigate to Spaces to see how your organization groups work by team or initiative. Spaces help keep permissions and workflows organized. To create something new, click the plus sign. This opens a solutions gallery where you can browse all templates. Explore categories to find best practice setups for projects, campaigns, or operations. When you find the right fit, open it, review what's included, then select Use Template to add it to your workspace and start working right away. That's it. You've navigated the essentials of Wrike with confidence.